Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees. Cinnamon sugar mixture, a can of biscuits, apple pie filling, a half a stick of melted butter, which reminds me I still have to clean up that explosion in the microwave. Lay out your biscuits on parchment paper and roll them out so they are big enough to put some pie filling in. Now, scoop the delicious pie filling into each circle. Pinch them up. Dip the bombs in the butter. Now cover in the cinnamon sugar mixture. Spray your basket with non-stick spray. Add your mini apple pie bites and set for 8 minutes. 8 minutes is up and they're all done. Delicious and cinnamon sugary. This tastes like a delicious piece of apple pie. All you need is vanilla ice cream to put on top.